And finally, if you want as a user to find an AI tool, click on find AI tool. Say, I want to work for, I mean, rather you work for a startup or you work for an SMB or an enterprise. Say I'm in marketing, sales, you have different categories from which you can choose. So for this use case, we're going to say I'm going to look for marketing. I'm going to look for an AI tool that helps me with, let's say, content writing, that helps me with, let's say, blogs and SEO focused content. You can basically write how much of a content you want here. And then what's important to you, you can basically pick three options. I'm going to say good reviews, ease of implementation, maybe affordability. And then you can say my company size is 1 to 10, 11 to 50, 51 to 200, right? So once you do that, the cool thing is once you're kind of logged in, it says give me the top three tools. It analyzes, looks at what your filters are, as well as all the text associated with it. And then it should give you three awesome tools that you can use. So there we go. So it says tool one recommended is obviously ChatGPT 4. Today, ChatGPT 4 Turbo obviously has a lot of capabilities that can help you with blog writing. You have Write Sonic and then you have Jasper, right? It recommends usually because your affordability, ChatGPT 4 is technically you could use it at $20 a month. There are all the reviews that you can see of G2, Trustpilot, Everything AI. We have actually used some of these platforms and reviewed each of these as well. There's some product hunt reviews, so you can check out the reviews of each of those tools in separate platforms, what the usability looks like. So, what are the features, A versus B versus C, right? What are the different use cases? Whether this is for marketers and non-marketers, for tech, how can people use it in terms of different use cases, and then the pricing, whether it's a freemium or a free trial kind of model. Freemium is you can use it, and then once you cross a certain threshold, you got to start paying for it, right? If you really like the tool, you can add it to this collection. You can also check out the tool. So once you click on check out the tool, uh, you can actually go to the specific tool page and then check out its different features, use cases, and then also buy the tool if you want it by checking out Write Sonic, right? So able to talk to an AI consultant, you can do that. So reach out to us, fill up the form. You can email yourself these results as well, which is fantastic. And then finally, if you want to add these tools to your collections, you could do that. And then essentially you can come to your dashboard and then check out all your favorite tools here. So I hope that was helpful. That's AI Recommender. Please give it a try and let me know what all of you think.